Okay, today is December 29th, 2023. About, I think, like 4:30 p.m. in the evening right now. And I am currently in Davenport, Iowa right now. Me and my family are currently visiting family here in Davenport. We are at my aunt's house. And I thought I'd make a quick video of their air conditioning unit. So yeah, here is a Amana central air conditioning unit. And there used to be a Trane XE1000 unit here, I believe. But recently, last summer, that unit got replaced with this unit. I believe it has a Copeland scroll compressor. And it is in the 30s outside, so I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to get this running today. But I'd still thought I'd make a quick video for this unit. Yeah, there used to be a Trane XE1000 unit here, but it got replaced last summer with this unit. It's a 37,000 BTU, 3-ton from 2021. And this is a 14 SEER unit, I think. Model number is ASX16, so yeah. It may be a 16 SEER, but Energy Guide says it's 14 SEER, so yeah. I don't know though. But yeah, just thought I'd make a quick video of this unit. And I'll make a video of the furnace here in a little bit. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.